Hi friends, this lesson is from Module 6, Lesson 11. We've been working with numbers from 0 all the way to 120. Today we're going to be taking some numbers and adding groups of tens. We're going to use the arrow way and place value mats to help us keep us organized. Here we go. So first of all, I drew a picture of a number and then I have two place value mats. That's because, don't forget, we're going to be adding groups of tens. So I'm going to go ahead and put both of them there because I'll be making a change in a moment. All right, let's fill in our first place value mat to match the picture. I have 5 tens and 2 ones. How would I say that number the regular way? Yeah, you're right, 52. Good job. Now in between those two place value mats, I'm going to write an arrow, and above that, I showed the change. Whenever I see an arrow, I know that I'm going to make a change to the original number to get to a new number. This time, the change is adding 20. Since I'm adding 20, I'm going to go ahead and draw two 10 towers. Now all I have to do is add up all of my tens. I had 5. 5 plus 2 more would be 7. Did my ones change at all, friends? Nope, they did not, so my one's going to stay the same. So 52 plus 20 more would be 72. Or 5 tens and 2 ones plus 20 is 7 tens and 2 ones. We're pretty good at this, but that's what we're going to practice today. Our learning goal says, I can add groups of 10 to any number to 100. Here we go. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and fill in my place value mat. Let's go ahead and count the 10 towers first. There's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew, that was a lot. 8 tens. Now let's go ahead and count how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 8 tens and 7 ones. I'm going to go ahead and make a change. So I'm going to draw an arrow with my change above it. Friends, what change am I making to 87? Yeah, I'm adding 10 more. I'm going to go ahead and draw a picture of the 10 more. All right. Now what am I going to do? You're right. I'm going to go ahead and count up my tens. I had 8 tens and I added one more, so that's 9. Did my ones change, friends? Nope. When I made the change, all I changed was the tens. So 87 plus 10 more is 97. Let's try another one. All right, let's see. How would I fill in that place value mat? Yep. What else? Oh, you're right. 4 tens and 3 ones. The change I'm going to make is to add 40. Whoa, I'm getting wild. That's a lot of tens. How can I draw a picture to show that I'm adding 40? Yeah, good idea. I'm going to go ahead and draw 4 10 towers. Now all I have to do is look at what I started with and the change that I made and write that number in the tens. I had 4 tens. I added 4 more, so that means now I have 8 tens. And how many ones? Yep, just 3. They didn't change at all. If I wanted to write a number sentence of what I just did and take it out of that place value mat, I could say 43 plus 40 is equal to 83. If I wanted to fill in my number bond, what do you think would go on the top? Yep, 83 is the whole amount, so 43 and 40 must be the two parts. I cannot believe that we started the year with small numbers like the parts of the number 9, and now we're doing the parts of 83. Oh my goodness gracious, I can't wait for second grade. Here we go, let's keep cruising. Let's try another one, but this time, can you go ahead and get your dry erase board or your math journal, because I'm going to have you go ahead and write some things down to practice on your own. Are you ready? Okay, can you go ahead and draw a picture of the 10 towers and the ones that I have up there, as well as the two place value mats? Okay, can you fill in that first place value mat now? If you still need to get organized, press pause. All filled in? Oh, good. Do you have that there's 5 tens and 2 ones? Good job. Now let's make the change be plus 20 more. Can you go ahead and show me what you would do to draw a picture to show adding 20 and then fill in that second place value mat? Press play to check yourself. Okay, so 5 tens and 2 ones plus 20 more. I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 10 towers. Did you do that? Good job. So how many tens are there all together now? You're right, there's 7. Friend, did the one change? Nope, there's still only 2 ones. Can you write a number sentence to show me what we just did from place value mat to change to new place value mat? Your number sentence should look something like this. 50 plus 20 equals 72. Perfect. Can you go ahead and take that number sentence now and put it into a number bond? Press pause while you draw it. Okay, ready? Well, 72 is the whole amount, so that must mean that 52 and 20 are the two parts. How you doing, friend? Oh, good job. These numbers are gigantic. Do you agree? Oh my goodness. So many things to write. Go ahead and erase your board or find a new spot in your math journal. Let's try another one. Ready? All right. I have 27 plus 50. This time, I'm not going to use a place value mat. I'm just going to use a picture. I have 27 and I want to draw 50 more. What would I do? Yeah, I'm just going to throw in 5 more 10 towers. What new number do I have now? Yeah, totally right. 77. Uh-oh. Chloe was getting excited about this math video too. She loves these big numbers. Okay, let's try another one. Oh, sorry. It's a little wild at my house right now. If I have 5 and I add 60 more, can you go ahead and press pause, draw a picture to show me how you would solve that, and press play to check yourself? Okay, so if I have 5, well, I just have to draw 5 once. If I'm going to add 60 more, I'm going to go ahead and draw 6 10 towers. Now all I have to do is just look at the picture and see how many 10s and 1s I have. Well, I have 6 10s and 5 1s. I know that's 65. All right. Our learning goal for today says I can add groups of 10s to a 2-digit number all the way up to 100. And that's exactly what we've been practicing. Friend, it's your turn. On Seesaw, I'm going to go ahead and have you answer these 3 questions. The first one is 32 plus 40. I want you to draw a picture to show me what that would look like. The same thing for 70 plus 9 and 41 plus 30. You're going to have to be very organized because these numbers are kind of big. So make sure that you have enough space. All right? Make sure you draw a picture for each one. Good luck, friend.